Decode.
Hi guys, in this video I am showing how to install PyCharm IDE for Python programming language in Windows 10. So let's start it. First, open your favorite browser and type PyCharm. Click the link in top results. Click download. And click download button under Community Edition for free. Now, PyCharm software will be downloaded. After downloading, click to the software to go to the installation process. Click Next and choose the folder that you want to install this software. Select shortcut options for creating shortcut of the software on your desktop. And wait for installation. After installation, select Run option and click Finish. Select TSC and click Continue. Click New Project. Enter your project name. Select newer version of Python programming language. Click Create to download the package and create your project. Now, your PyCharm is ready for coding. Now I will create basic Hello World program in Python. To do that, type print Hello World. And click Run.